Jamaican language versatile, you know. I'm if it tell you. Everybody likes to see affirmation, confirmations, right? Seek agreement. You want people to concur with what you're saying. And Jamaicans are no different. For example, the penya theme, no so. Or, don't it? The food eat good, don't it? Or, don't, or don't. Tomorrow school I keep, don't. Or, I lie. Me smell good, I lie. Next one, not true. That me did say, not true. No, these are all expressions used at the end of the sentence. No, here's one that can be used at the beginning of a sentence or at the end. Talk truth. The food eat good, man. Talk truth. But if used at the beginning of the sentence, then it must have another affirmation-seeking expression at the end, and we have to use another expression, else we would not be Jamaican. Example, talk truth. We can't sing. Don't.